Look down here where my foot is. Soft spot.
She's a little soft, boy.
So, that'll be our next project, I think. Is fix.
Wait, what?
Gotta fix that. Somebody's gonna go through.
Dude, that's a one-man job right there. There's no reason for me to come help do that.
No, no. Ready for a fun project?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna need plastic surgery to remove the smile from my face.
Here's our project behind me. It's a deck, and it's a weird deck. It's sloped and it's waterproof on top, okay? So it's dry under here. That's pretty awesome, because we play ping pong down here.
Sweet, Millie likes it.
But the fascia where this water's been running off and it gets the southern sun is trashed, okay? So we're gonna check out this deck and look at how we can fix it up. This is stage 1. Stage 2 is gonna be like cable rails, and stage 3, we're gonna actually put a new surface on the top here because it's carpet right now. Wow. And the carpet's kind of shot. So I really meant it's a carpeted deck. We have carpets on it, but it's carpet under it. And under that is like roll roofing, like asphalt roofing. You can see between the carpet. And the carpet's actually nice. I like it because it doesn't get hot. So you can walk around on it, but I'm gonna do something eventually that looks better than this looks. But for now, it's okay.
I think Stephanie's grandfather had a set of these.
Yeah, they're not the best, but they're better than nothing. You gonna do something or just pet Millie?
I think I'm just gonna pet Millie today.
She would let you just pet her all day.
Likes it. Look at her.
There's a couple interesting construction methods used here on this house. I didn't build it, I bought it. It's a nice house. I mean, I like the house.
Method? That's pretty nice.
But they use 4x4s for these long posts. I would have used a 6x6, but then they kind of boxed them out, packed them out to make them look bigger, and I'm sure that did make them stronger. So we've got to deal with those pieces, how they run up and connect with our sort of fascia board there. And, you know, there's a couple other interesting things about this that I'm sure we'll find. Here's our replacement material here, LP Smart Side 1x12s, inch thick. And these are actually pre-painted. We're gonna paint them a different color. That's gonna hold up.
We're gonna hold up?
Well, we just painted this whole house actually a couple days ago. Remember that?
No, I forgot already. Yeah, I remember.
So we're doing all kinds of projects around here. Think you could get a smaller pry bar? It's working.
Hey, why don't you work on your end? All right, let me work on
my end's fine. Cedar.
Yeah. Looks rotten.
Let's check out the one saving grace here for us replacing these boards is that there's this thicker board that the drip cap goes over, or the drip edge, so that we can take this out without having to, you know, go up under the drip edge, which is nailed like crazy to this other board. I've never seen anything like that. Those are all nails. Yeah, I think it's 45 coming off of there. So 22.5 miters. That's something you might or ought to check before you cut your board.
Oh my gosh, Jamie, are you joking me?
Load it up. We're just gonna use galvanized framing nails instead of siding nails. It's my house.
It's your house.
Nobody cares.
You can do whatever you want, bro.
One thing we just realized is that our new boards, which are 1x12s, are wider than our old boards. I just thought that was a 1x12. I didn't even measure it. Did you measure it?
Nope.
I think it looks good though.
I think it looks fine.
I think you just leave it.
Yeah, we didn't want to say it, but it looked really bad before. I mean, really bad, but yeah, it looks banging now.
I'm not even doing this for me. You know who I'm doing this project for?
Your wife?
No.
No.
My neighbor who has to stare. at my crappy rotten deck front all the time.
That used to be your house.
That's for you, Tommy.
Tommy!
Yeah.
There you go, new boards for you, bye.
One thing I'm gonna do is use some good sealant right there, and that wasn't done before, and I think that really added to the degradation of what was there. So we'll seal that so water doesn't just run behind it. Material management's going good. That's all that was left of the first board.
That's with all the waste.
That's good.
Ooh, Jamie out here.
Gotta get a pro tip in here. I'm gonna cut 10 inches so that I can know it's exactly on that cut edge when I'm measuring from this short point on down. That'll give me an easier way to do it and a more accurate way to do it than trying to put this end right on that corner right there. You do have to remember to add 10 inches on your mark though. So 95 5/8 instead of 85 5/8.
It was 85?
Pretty sure.
Okay.
95 5, yeah. All right, Jay, we're done with the hard side. We just got to tackle this straight piece right here. Where's he at? Yo, still working over here.
I'm watching the fire.
I see you're watching the fire. You're drinking my drinks, bro.
I mean, I'm on safety issue patrol thing here. I got it.
Oh, you're back.
Yeah, where have I been?
I don't know. Where have you been?
Fire's doing great, by the way.
Oh, good. So right here, this old piece is notched around our pack out pieces on our posts. And we're gonna not do that because I don't like the way it looks. Yeah, that one's gonna come off. Here's one of the most visible spots that this was looking gnarly. It's right where you walk up the stairs, and there's gotta be water coming in. Like, this is a fastener through the waterproofing, so I'm gonna put some sealant on that. Hopefully dry it up temporarily till I totally redo this, but that was one of the ones that was bugging me there.
You having some issues at home or anything? Something we need to talk about?
With my home.
Ah, there you go. Get that thing. Show that thing who's boss, bro.
I'm the boss.
Yeah, who's that boss?
About to knock you off the
Wow. Let me get out of the way. Yeah. Woo!
Sarah told me the guy that invented this Keurig K-cup thing wished he never would have. That's all trash every time. Plastic.
I know, it is bad.
You want a coffee?
No, thank you.
Like what you did there, Jason. A little fine tuning.
Yeah, but
Get that hump off of there.
okay. Definitely not.
Okay, I can't see that.
Can I have that
All right,
tool?
buzz tool.
Yeah. What are you doing? Just drinking coffee and making the fire? Or what? Are you doing any work? I feel like I'm out here by myself.
Some friends. Why did such a thing make you uptight and tense? You're high-strung, babe. You're high-strung, babe. And a high-strung woman makes.
Check this out. That's pushed up tight on both ends, there and there. The deck joist we're mounting it to has a big crown up like that, so we're thinking here. I don't know. Yo, Jay.
No, get those things away from me.
Take your pick.
If my keys aren't in your hand, I don't want to take a picture. Get away from me with those things. Millie, let's go, baby. Come on. I'm still cleaning. I can't paint yet.
You got any pro paint tips?
Don't paint the biggest pro paint tip I got. What's going on here, bro? You got something in my way.
I don't know. It's been done before though. There was paint already on it. We made the same mistake.
My half's done.
I think we're done.
Wow, what a difference.
Yeah, looks great. Nothing left to do but wait till Tommy comes out so I can see the look on his face. There you go, Tommy.
There you go, Tommy.
We got her fixed up for you.
Man, you're a good neighbor, buddy. I don't care what anybody says about you. It's all right.
So my neighbor rented some goats. See them in there?
Yeah, see him.
It's got a temporary fence, and they're gonna eat down all the poison ivy and all the saplings and clear it out,
Genius.
just like lawnmowers. You know I can't have Jason over without having a fire. It just wouldn't be right. So let's go ahead and get this thing going while we're at it. All right, you realize we're in a neighborhood here, bud. This isn't your house.
Finally something I'm good at.
Last fire I was at his house had flames 40 feet high, so, you know, just gotta tell him. Beautiful teepee, by the way.
It's all about the teepee, bro.
I see that.
Old man taught me that.